Alright, here we go. Just got a package from eBay. I won this little set of knives here. I think there was 10 knives, maybe? I don't know. We're about to find out. We're going to find out whether I scored or got screwed, I guess. Here we go. First time opening it. Just got the package in the mail. You know, and I probably could just rip this open, but it's more fun to cut it, you know.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, just cut it. Look at that. Hope I didn't scratch one of the knives that's in there. Oh, we got a letter here. Let me read that letter off camera just in case it's something weird. Oh, got a nice little letter from the guy. Covered up his name. It says, "Thanks for buying. I hope these knives serve you well as they did for me." Okay, well that's nice. Here you go, bud. Alright, there we go. Look at that, all wrapped up in a little handy dandy carrying case made of towelette there. Alright, let's see what the first one is we got. Set this out of the way here. Taped it up pretty good. Ooh, okay, there we go. Cold steel Voyager. Looks like they did do a little modification on it. That's not standard. AUS 10A. Not a terrible steel. I like it. Kind of sharp. It's got the triad. Don't see a whole lot of rust or anything on it, which I don't expect to see with a cold steel knife anyway. It's the rubberized, got the rubberized handle. It's not bad. That's in good condition. Let's see how sharp it was. Not terrible compared to the Tiger Claw. Tiger Claw is much sharper. It's my baby. Alright, so first one, pretty happy about that. Cold steel Voyager. Do a review on that later, maybe. Let's see, what else do we got here? Oh, Victoria Knox. That's not too bad. It's got some nice little tools in there. I'm guessing it's some sort of a stainless steel. I don't know much about Victorinox. It'll be a first one for me. Not in bad, not in pretty good condition. I'm happy with it. Alright. Next. Next up, we've got, okay. What's that say? Not familiar with this brand.
Let's try.
Looks like it's got a, okay. I like that. The little slide lock there. Not too shabby. A little bit of scuff on the blade, but these were all used knives. Like I said, I got them from eBay, so you never know what you're going to get. I'm just glad they showed up, to be completely honest with you. For the price that I got them for, I was a little surprised. What do we got here? Okay, Crkt. This one's got a liner lock. Not too bad. It's like a, kind of feels like a rubberized plastic handle. Reversible pocket clip. Pretty cool. Doesn't really say what the steel is. Maybe it, right there. No, got a U.S. patent. Okay.
Probably one of the USOs.
Alright, next. Okay. That's pretty cool. Tangram. Not familiar with that brand. Vector. It's got a button lock. It's in pretty good shape. Handle's not all marred up. Blade's in pretty good condition. Looks sharp. Yeah, it's sharp. Not too shabby. I got one more here. Oh, two more. Three more. What I got here? Oh, and the whole reason this this auction caught my eye. Cold Steel Raha 3. OS 10. Oh yeah. I like that. Triad lock. Thumb stud. This is the style like the Tiger Claw has, where it'll actually, you can kind of catch it right on your pocket and deploy it as you pull it out. This thing, dang near, there's a couple of chips on the blade. You're probably not going to be able to see that. But there's a couple of chips on the blade, but that's not too bad. I can sharpen that up really easy. I'm excited about that one. Yeah, I mean, anybody that's watching this, if there's something that, I've got tons of knives, literally tons and tons of knives, so if there's anything that you're interested in seeing that's within reason. I don't do a whole lot of Benchmade. I'm mostly Cold Steel. I have a ton of M-Tech knives. Got a little bit of everything, but I thought that one was going to be assisted, but no, just a flipper. Kind of give it a little, and then it's got a slide lock. That SOG Terminus XR. Like that. Cryo D2 steel. Blade looks pretty good on that. There's a few chips on it. This guy obviously didn't use his knives the way I use mine. I'm sure one of these days I'll review one of my knives that I've really beat the hell out of. Alright, last one. This one's not wrapped in a handy dandy, or not in a fancy wrapping. This one's got a handy dandy carrying case. Leatherman. Okay. I've already got a set of these in black, but for the price I couldn't pass them up. Wow, serrations that look like it's ever been used. He said lightly used, but it's damn near new. Leatherman OHT. I don't know if you've ever seen these before. This is the one hand opening. It's got the little lock and everything so it doesn't open up in your pocket. Kind of spring assisted a little bit. Heck yeah. Well, I guess you tell me if you're actually watching this. I don't have a ton of people watching it, but if you're actually watching it, pop into the comments. Tell me, did I score or did I get screwed? And take a guesstimation of how much you think I spent on the auction to get these guys right here. And if you're interested in seeing a review on any of them individually, I'll check them out, get all the specs and everything. Maybe be a little more intelligent as far as these guys are concerned. And this guy, interesting. Never really seen that. It's actually, I don't know if you can see that, but the liner actually goes the opposite direction. Goes out to the right. Alright, let me know what you think. Anything else, baby son?
I don't know.
Should I tell him to like, share, and subscribe?
Please no.
You say it.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, you heard it from baby son. Like, share, and subscribe.
I think